You know how you buy a pair of expensive leather boots, a new leather jacket, or a pricey leather couch, and you have absolutely no idea how to take care of it? You're not a leather expert, and you probably don't even know the difference between suede and nubuck, so you either avoid cleaning it completely, or you risk ruining your valuable investment by using the wrong products. My name is Evan, Leather Honey's leather care expert, and here's how to take care of the most common types of leather in a nutshell. Alright, smooth leather is the most common form of leather, and it thrives on deep conditioning. This is your classic leather. Think of furniture, wallets, and high quality boots. It's tough, durable, and it holds its shape really well, which means it can handle a thorough treatment. Because it's the full unsplit grain, it performs and looks its best when used properly with products that go beyond the surface and penetrate deep into the leather so it stays flexible, comfortable, and ready for anything. For care, simply use a safe pH-balanced leather cleaner to remove surface dirt and then let it fully dry. Our Leather Honey leather cleaner is pH balanced and will not harm your leather's natural pH and cause it to crack. From there, follow up with a deeply penetrating, non-toxic conditioner like our flagship Leather Honey leather conditioner. Apply it in thin coats and repeat if necessary. For older, extra dry leather, 2 to 3 layers are suggested. This deep feeding keeps the internal fibers soft and prevents that ugly cracking, unlike other conditioners that just sit on the surface and barely do anything for your leather. Now, suede, on the other hand, is that fuzzy, soft leather created when the hide is split to expose that porous underside layer. This is why it's often called a split leather. It's valued for its unique velvety texture, but because it doesn't have that tough outer surface, it's much more delicate and may absorb liquids and spills pretty fast. So for most jobs, a suede eraser, which is also found in our suede and nubuck care kit, will tackle most of those surface marks. Simply rub the eraser onto the suede and then brush off the eraser shavings as you go, and then repeat as necessary. And no, a regular pencil eraser is not the same, and it may even ruin your suede. For deeper soiling like salt stains or watermarks on your suede, use a dedicated foam suede cleaner. Pump out the foam and use a microfiber cloth or a gentle horsehair brush to agitate the suede, and then wipe away the excess using a clean part of your cloth. We recommend using our suede and nubuck cleaner for these deeper spots. Now let's talk about nubuck. This is often confused with suede, but it's actually made from the outer surface of the hide, the same tough part used for smooth leather. The difference is that nubuck is slightly buffed or sanded on the outside to give it that incredibly fine, velvety texture. Because it's only lightly sanded, those fibers are much shorter than suede, but like suede, it is still porous and will quickly absorb liquids more than smooth leather. Nubuck requires gentle cleaning and dedicated protection. To tackle light surface dirt and dust, you should always start with a gentle, non-abrasive tool to lift the grime without crushing the fine fibers. For this, a soft horsehair brush like the one included in our suede and nubuck care kit is perfect for daily upkeep. So for deeper cleaning, we do suggest using a dedicated foam or spray cleaner that won't soak into your material. Apply it gently, scrub lightly with a microfiber cloth or soft brush, and then blot the area. We formulated our suede and nubuck cleaner to be gentle yet effective at lifting stains without saturating the material. Prevention for all leather, especially suede and nubuck, is the final step that keeps them looking new for years to come. Whether your leather is brand new or freshly cleaned, apply a quality breathable waterproofing spray from 6 to 8 inches away using slow, even passes. Let dry and then repeat for 2 to 3 light coats for best results. This creates an invisible, breathable barrier that helps repel moisture and spills without changing the color or the feel of your leather. It's non-toxic, PFOA-free, and long-lasting, so your suede and nubuck can stay protected without all the guesswork. Leather Honey is the trusted, simplified leather care system that shows you how to properly treat your leather so you can skip all of that guesswork and keep your leather investments protected, performing well, and looking beautiful for years. So there you have it. Thanks to these simple steps, you can confidently know how to tackle your smooth, suede, and nubuck leather because it's simpler than you think, which means that you no longer have to hesitate, So we encourage you to start treating your leather with confidence today. And because you stuck with us, we want to help you take that first step. Use our code HONEY20 at checkout for 20% off and free shipping for your first order at Leather Honey. Remember that leather is forever with Leather Honey.